A refugee, someone who has been forced to flee their home because of war, persecution, or violence. The international community is currently experiencing the largest refugee crisis that the world has ever seen. With millions of people living in refugee camps or temporary dwellings out of fear for their lives. A small fraction, less than 1%, of the world's refugees get the opportunity to be resettled in a third country such as the United States. Since the 1980s, all refugees who came to the state of Oregon were resettled in the Portland metro area. At the end of 2015, the resettlement of refugees was expanded to Salem and Keizer due to the rising cost of housing. Salem had no centralized coordinating entity to bring together the people and resources necessary to make the city a welcoming place for refugees. Through a unique partnership between city organizations and passionate community members with a desire to help our new neighbors, Salem For Refugees was born. Salem For Refugees is a network of refugee resettlement agencies, faith communities, businesses, nonprofits, government organizations, and community members. Our mission is to bring people and resources together to empower refugees to thrive. Our vision is to see all refugees in Salem as valued, thriving, contributing members of our community. As Salem For Refugees, we want to treat our new neighbors in the same way that we would want to be treated if we were in their shoes. To this end, we provide a variety of resources to support our new neighbors as they transition to life in America. Donations of furniture, household items, and restart kits to help refugees set up their homes. Financial assistance to ensure that families can cover their basic needs as they are working on learning English and finding jobs. Mentor teams of volunteers that are paired with each new refugee family to walk alongside them as friends and guides through their resettlement journey. Resource teams of community members and organizations that develop infrastructure and provide resources for our new neighbors in key resource areas. The employment team connects refugees with employment opportunities to help them find sustainable jobs. The English team networks ELL programs and volunteers throughout the city to help refugees learn English. The education team partners with Salem and Keizer public schools to help refugees navigate the education system with their children. The healthcare team helps refugees navigate the medical system and access quality healthcare, including a focus on mental health and wellness. The housing team connects refugees with affordable housing throughout Salem and Keizer. This group also includes a welcome home team that sets up homes and apartments with donated items. The meals team provides meals and events as venues for new neighbors to connect and build community. They also work with refugees who are already in Salem to prepare welcome meals for newly arriving families. The transportation team provides refugees with resources to access public transport, bicycles, and driving lessons. The legal team assists refugees with green card paperwork and other legal documents. The technology team provides refugees with resources for low-cost cell phones, computers, and internet. The Interpretive services team provides language interpretation for refugee families and volunteers. Our new neighbors have faced adversity and suffering that no human being should have to face. They are courageous, resilient individuals who bring beauty, diversity, richness, and unique gifts and talents to our community. Salem and Keizer is a better place because of their presence here. Welcoming refugees is one of our oldest and most noble traditions in the United States of America, and it takes all of us to make our community a welcoming place where refugees can rebuild their lives and thrive.